Hi, welcome. Let's make this portrait. First, we're supposed to draw the portrait. I saw inspiration on Pinterest. I like the photo the way it is. So I took that first and draw it. So there I'm drawing the mouth and the chin, the nose of the rest of the pig before make it a portrait. So far it's going well. Okay. Okay, you are doing the hair tics. I don't know how to do the hair tics. But anyway, it turned out so good at the end. Here I'm writing you're blessed. Okay, the main idea why I drew this picture is because I wanted to remind myself that I am blessed. God is blessing me. God loves me. So I wanted to have it so I could see it every day that God is there in my life. Whenever I wake up, any moment He's there in my life. Okay. So first I had to measure the A4 page on my cardboard box. I don't know if it's the right name. You can correct me, guys. Okay. Then I measure with my pencil. Then I'm going to use my ruler to make the right measurement before I cut it into the right shape. Yeah, you have to make it a little excess there. Yeah, measuring. I think it would be more enjoyable if I was not doing and voiceover. But anyway, I wanted to tell you how I achieved that portrait. First, you're supposed to have your scissors, ruler. If you had glue, it would look so good, but I did not have glue, so I'm going to use sellotape. I don't know if that's what you call it, sellotape, because I don't have glue, so I'm using sellotape. But if you have glue, I think it will look so great because mine is a little rough. But anyway, it's okay for something that is cheap. It turned out so good. So I'm measuring it there. I think I will let you guys watch the rest of the video on your own. I don't want to interrupt the video, but anyway, I will talk on areas that I think I'm needed to speak. As for now, you can enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching till now, it will be okay if you like and subscribe to my channel. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I was so happy. You make me so happy. This is what I'm doing for you. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, first it's measured now. So second, I wanted to put hearts there on my pic as you saw on the portrait first. So I am shaping the first draw the art. Then now I'm just trimming it. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, I think I finished the art. Since I don't have glue, I'm going to use sellotape to stick them to my portrait. If you have glue, I would advise you to use glue because sellotape is going to be visible. It can ruin your portrait. But if you have glue, I think it will look so nice. If your sellotape, I'm using the sellotape. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay. Was trying to trim the sellotape there. Anyway, it's okay that way. It would have been nice if I had glue, but I don't have glue. So I'm just using what I have. There I'm going to make shapes, triangle shapes, which I'm going to put at the edges of my portrait. um yeah, in the back, that's the back. I just take my plain A4 paper and put it at the back so that it will look a little bit nice there. If you have glue, you can use glue to stick it together. Guys, I don't have glue, that's why I'm using sellotape, but if you have glue it would really look nice. I'm just using what I have, and mind you, this is my face portrait I am making. I don't know, I just saw a tutorial a while back, so I'm just making my own using what I have. Yes, right at the back, then we're going to front. So I'm going to make a bow. I'm thinking, I don't know, is it a bow? So I can put it here on your hair, because I thought it would look cute if it have that bow. Please correct me, I don't know what is that. Okay. Yeah, I finished making the bow. Anyway, that long two lines, you just cardboard cardboard excess I just took, just make it thin, then you fold it, then I just put sellotape there, nothing else. If you have glue, you can use glue to stick it together, and your bow tie is ready. I don't know why I'm saying bow tie. Please forgive me. I don't know what is wrong there. Okay, please tell me the name. I don't know the name more. I'm just speaking my mind. Okay, at the edges, just put those small shapes I made because I wanted it to look nice. I didn't want it to be plain. So I put those edges, those shapes which we cut a little bit earlier. And now we are sticking the front and the back. So there, the first side is done. I thought it would look so cute if I put those cardboard. I like the color of that cardboard, so I just use more of it because it was looking good for me. I don't know for you, but for me, I like the color on that white sheet. And cutting the excess sellotape there. I told you if you have glue, you can use glue. Me, I don't have glue, that's why I'm using sellotape. And we did the other side. Yeah. Then we cut the excess there. I'm just measuring with my eyes there. Measure my sellotape, then I'll cut it, then put it on the paper gently so they don't move. Okay, so we are done there. Then going to stick it together. can left at the top. Yeah, we finished. We're finished now, guys. You see the sellotape is visible. That's why I was saying glue it to look so nice. But anyway, it is looking good even though it is sellotape. But if you had glue, it would look so good. Thanks for watching. Anyway, we're finished now. We have to clean our space. We can't leave it that way. This is a bonus bonus video. So I just cleaning our space so we cannot leave it that way. Yeah, I think that's all. That's all. That's the video just took for you guys. If you wanted to make your own portrait, it is so easy. I know not all of us can do it, but some of you can do it. If you believe you can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really love your support. Thank you. Bye.